A lot of people have tried herbal remedies, they've tried lipoflavonoids, they've tried ring stop, Archer's formula, ginkgo biloba, you name it. People have tried anything to stop this ringing in their head. Unfortunately, I haven't met very many people ever, honestly, that have said that those things have stopped their ringing. And it's probably because that's not treating the underlying cause, which is inner ear damage. And so if you're not able to reverse the inner ear damage, then taking something internally isn't going to help. So many people have tried many different options, but they usually end up in my office because they're desperate for some type of help, and we're really glad that we can offer 8 different treatment options today for tinnitus, all without any side effects, and they're all through some form of sound therapy.